Oh, dude, that was perfect. Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about one of the more annoying features of having a great adjustable base. When your remote doesn't pair or it's not working. And in this case, we're actually on the awesome tilt feature that the R650 from Reverie Sleep provides. But one thing that can happen with technology, no bed paired. That can be a problem, right? You're stuck in a position, you're in your TV PC mode, and you're stuck. Technology stinks. I'm showing you how to pair your remote to the R650 from Reverie. That's the R650. There are different instructions for different models. This is specifically their latest and greatest, one of the best models that they carry. So if you look, it says no bed paired on this thing. So if I press any of the cool buttons, I want to do anti-snore, nothing's happening, nothing's computing. So what you do, this one's pretty awesome. It's very easy. See this light button right here? Just hold it for 3 seconds. Searching, you see the Bluetooth connection. Right now it's looking for all control boxes in the store. We have two. We actually unplugged one. So it actually just straight up connected to it. So right now I can go ahead and I can just work this puppy. So you see how the numbers are coming up for head. So we should see the head is coming up. So now we're paired. So pretty cool little process you have here. Very simple. If you ever worked with any of the temper or the Sealy ones, it can be a couple extra steps with this. Literally just hold the flashlight button, bam, it connects.
Hey King, why would someone actually need to pair a remote? Don't they come paired automatically?
They do. So when you get it comes paired automatically. One of the big problems, obviously, is technology. Everything seems to fail in some way or another. Have you ever screamed at your phone because it's not working? Same thing here. Some things happen. Connectivity, the Bluetooth disconnects, power outage, something like that. But the good thing is, if anything like that happens, you just hold flashlight, bada bing, all done.
Speaking of your phone, isn't there an app you can do to use it on the adjustable base?
There is. That I will talk about next week. Cool teaser there. We're going to talk about the Reverie nightstand app. We'll give you a full from head to toe, literally on that app next week. See you guys next week.